Longchen Nyingtik Meditation. Part 2. Impermanence of Life. Meditation 12. The impermanence of those in positions of power. Please read Kempo's instruction first. Refuge Prayer. Residing in the sky, filling the whole of vastness, are the Lama, Idan deities, and Dakinis, Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha of sublime beings. Devotedly, sentient beings of the six realms, and I take refuge in you. Aspiration Prayer. The infinity of sentient beings and I have been Buddhas from the very beginning. Having realized such fundamental nature, I generate supreme bodhicitta. Reflect that the powerful Lord of the world, Brahma, Indra, Ishvara, Vishnu, and the great rishis, possesses the five clairvoyants and the numerous miraculous powers. And shining with the radiant splendor of fame, wisdom, and merits. They live as long as several kalpas. In Han history, sages like Confucius and Lao Tzu, and great emperors of the Tang, Song, Yuan, Ming, and Qing dynasties, with their impressive intelligence and retinues, all enjoyed great renown unmatched by many others. Even so, they all eventually had to die. What is there to say about us, negligible beings, the like of tiny ants? Even though you may possess some fame and wealth for a while, your bubble-like bodies of flesh and sinew are nothing concrete, and will disappear in the end. Becoming a pile of pale bones. Since all phenomena are transient and everything is left behind at death, I must therefore resolve. In my short life, I will practice the authentic Dharma, the only valuable activity for future lives. Dedication prayer. Through this goodness, may omniscient Buddhahood be attained, and thereby may every enemy, mental defilement, be overcome. may beings be liberated from the ocean of samsara that is troubled by waves of birth, old age, sickness, and death.